As a trader, we're always looking for ways to increase our account, whether that is by growing the account with trades or sometimes you have to make deposits, especially if you're just getting started. So I wanted to share with you in this video 5 things you can do that are practical tips to generate some more resources to put into your trading account, and you can do that today. All right. First one is to do some freelance work. If you're somebody who knows how to create graphics or you're a VA, there's a menagerie of things that you can do. Do some freelance work. You can use platforms like Upwork or Fiverr or some of the other ones that are local that you can use in order to do some freelance work. Maybe you don't even have to do anything online. Perhaps you're a photographer or you're a dog sitter or a dog walker or you wash cars. All of these are like freelance things you can do to generate income that's going to be extra money that you can put into your trading account. All right. Way number 2 is to sell some unused items. Listen, I already know all of us have stuff at our house that we're not using. If you go in your kitchen, look under those cabinets, you can probably find some things some little utensils that you haven't touched in a while. You can probably find a whole, pot and pan set or a set of Tupperware that you haven't used. You can go in the garage and find some things. Ooh, ladies, I know you can go into those closets, pull out some clothes, pull out some pocketbooks, and you can sell some unused items. That's going to help you generate some more resources to put into your trading account. The other way, or third way, is to do gig economy jobs. There are things like Lyft and DoorDash and Instacart. These are little apps where you can go and help someone else have their life be more convenient. Okay, you do DoorDash, Uber, or Lyft, some of those guys. Those are like gig economy jobs, and you can do some of those to generate some more resources that you can put into your trading account. Our fourth way is to do online teaching or tutoring. All of us know how to do something. Maybe you're really good at helping children learn how to read or helping people with their math problems or helping somebody, bake or cook. These are things that you can teach somebody online, right? Teaching, tutoring, training. There are several different platforms online that you can use that you can help to teach or tutor other people. You can do that online, or you can even do it in person. Go to one of your local schools and let the schools around your neighborhood know that you're a tutor, that you're going to be, at the library. I don't know if you can use the library, though, for tutoring anymore, but that you're going to maybe come to the school or you'll meet the parents at their place and you're going to tutor children in some topics and areas where, a lot of parents would rather have somebody to help them tutor because parents aren't necessarily good tutors for their own kids. All right. The last way, the fifth way, is you can rent out some of your assets. Let's say you've got an extra vehicle you're not using, or you've got a jet ski that you hardly ever go out on. Rent out these things. Right? If you have an extra room at your place, you might want to rent out that as an asset. Maybe you have an RV that you don't use very often. These are things that you can rent out to people, and that will generate more resources and more income for you to use in your trading platform. All right. Okay, so I've shared with you 5 quick ways, very practical ways that you can generate more resources and be able to put some more money into your trading account.